I'm Kevin.
I'm Elizabeth.
And this is
What We Thought. On this channel, we'd like to try to be as real as possible. It's just a channel to give you an idea of products that we could use day to day and what we think about them. We just want you to know that we're not sponsored in any way. We're just trying to give you an honest review and let you know what we thought about products.
Right. So we just do what we thought on items that we buy and that we use. Hey, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for something to seal this bag with, like a bag clip or something.
Well, look what I got for you.
Oh.
I got a bag sealer.
What the heck is a bag sealer?
Let me show you this bag sealer and cutter on Amazon so that we don't have to keep looking for the bag clips. And it has that, and it comes with its own batteries. Yeah, so this thing will, it says it'll heat, or we can even open the bag after we seal it. So this is probably the sealer side. So let's turn it on. Oh, it's already on. Let's give it a try. Okay. A little slower. Perfectly sealed. You can turn it off when we're not using the heat so we don't accidentally do it. So let's see if it opens it. So I'm going to go like this. Look at that. It opened it right up.
Wow. I like it.
Cool. Now I want to do another one. So we've got this bag of salad. Let's see if it opens that up. That little pigtail is bent the wrong way. So it's got like a little razor blade in there, but look at that. Opens it right up. Okay, cool. Okay, now let's seal that back up and see how it does. I think I went too fast the first time, but this different plastic, so it looks like it's sealing. Okay. Oh yeah, that's going to be great for our salad when we don't use the whole bag.
Wow.
Perfect. That one's not really sealing. Huh, wonder why.
Maybe because it's cold a little bit?
Maybe. Could be.
And it's on, right?
Yeah, it's on. Still comes open. That one's not really sealing. Huh, wonder why. Alright, so I've seen them sealing these bags with water, and we'll see if we can make a mess or if it's going to actually work. Alright, so I'm going to try to seal right through the water. Oh, nope, cut right through it. Kind of worked, but it cut right through it. Let's try another chip bag. This one's got the foil in it, so we'll see if it's any different. Alright. Okay, it does seal, but if you pull hard, not even very hard, it pulls right open. So yes, it seals, but it doesn't seal like, you know, when you have to use all your strength to get a chip bag open. Okay, well, I tried to do a good thing and find something easier. And a bag sealer, you know, I've seen these online, I've seen them at the store, the little bag sealers for your chips and everything. And I gotta say, it doesn't really work like you think it would. It did seal up this chip bag pretty good. I had to fix it up because I tore it. The salad bag, let me just go like this. The salad bag, it actually seals really well. Okay, this bag didn't seal. This bag didn't seal. Tortilla bag, it pretty much burned through it instead of sealing it. And that water one, I don't know if you've looked at any of these bag sealers, but there's a water one where they just zip right through it, holds the water, it looks all cool. All it did was make a mess. So I'm going to say, as far as what you think these would do, this one here did not perform very well at all.
Yes. And I think I'll just use the chip clip that I found
You
in
found
the drawer.
it. While I was messing around with all this, she went and still found the
Yeah,
bag clip.
look
So
how much easier it is. Okay.
Anyway, I got to tell you, that's our honest review of this bag sealer. So, you know, they're about $10 on Amazon. They 10 to 15, I guess. This one, not worth it.
Yeah, it is
So.
Nice when they do seal.
When it does seal, the
Yes,
salad bag did
it
seal
does
really
nice.
well.
But
So.
if you have a chip clip available, it's just
Just
a
use
lot
it.
faster and easier.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks for
That's
watching.
our honest review.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
That's what we thought.